He's in Washington right now. Carl, this is a pretty monstrous surprise for Washington, isn't it?
It is. Evan Bayh was considered to be a fairly safe Democratic senator and certainly somebody who has been well known to Democratic politics, not only in Indiana but around the country. He's been on the short list for vice president, considered a centrist. In recent weeks and months of the Obama administration, Senator Bayh has found himself at odds with the liberal leftist party and complained about it openly and publicly. At 2 o'clock this afternoon, he'll hold a news conference in Indianapolis where he will discuss and explain exactly why he's leaving, what his